Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove all YouTube shorts on your homepage on YouTube. So basically, short is very good products, I think. YouTube doing so well to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels by shorts. But in some cases, for me, when I'm start watching shorts, it makes me dig deep into unproductive day. So I think, as you can see, I now have this very clean, no shorts at all on my homepage YouTube, and I hopefully not anymore to dig deep into some wasting time. So let's get into how to do it. You just press on your Google Chrome here or in many extension like Opera, etc. You just click this visit Chrome Web Store, and then you search for shorts block. There are several options over here, but what I'm using is remove YouTube short. The title is remove YouTube shorts. And then you just install this extension and then enable it on your Google Chrome. And for me, it's perfectly doing well. So it's just very simple. And then now I don't have any shorts showing on my desktop version YouTube home feed. Okay, that's it guys. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.